Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the summary of the poem Leisure. Leisure by William Henry Davis. William Davis is an American poet and singer. By the means of his poem explains the biggest problem of today's life. Each and every individual is so occupied and busy with their day to day work to achieve the larger objectives in life that they forget to notice the smaller things in life and the happiness they can derive out of these smaller things. Throughout this poem, the beauty of nature is described here. The beauty of nature, for example, is essential, is important to be noticed. But today, nobody has the time to stop for a minute also and to observe the extraordinary pleasure in ordinary things, such as standing under the trees and witnessing its beauty, just like the cows and sheep do. When we get up in the morning, we fail to notice that a new beautiful day is waiting for us. All we are interested in is conducting our daily jobs and work. Human beings, in fact, today are similar to a machine. They get up at a fixed alarm time, reach their schools, colleges, and offices on time, have their lunch, breakfast, and dinner on time. And today, people also have separate time allotted only for their family. Can you call such an individual a human being? No, you can't. That individual is obviously a machine programmed to carry out work on the allotted time. Here in this poem, Davis strongly believes that the life must be lived in a casual and leisurely manner. It is extremely essential to enjoy our free time and the little breaks we get from our work to enjoy the beauty of nature. It is essential to understand the love nature has bestowed upon us. If we are passing through the woods or trees, we must notice the squirrels who are trying to hide their nuts. We should also notice the shimmering and glittering lights that is reflected in the streams at night. We should take time to notice the beautiful glance of a maiden and admire her dancing skills and the smile on her lips. If we admire the minute details and beauty of nature, we can fill our lives with joy and happiness. As a result, we will also get rid of the emptiness that has essentially become a part of our daily life as a result of our fast lives. The poet is very disheartened by the fact that today human beings are deprived of the common pleasures which are accessible to all. As a matter of fact, God has bestowed all of us with the blessing of enjoying the serene beauty of nature. We run for the whole of our lives to gain material pleasures, but we should remember that we need to stop for a few moments every now and then to enjoy these material pleasures we have earned for ourselves. Davis is of the opinion that if an individual is surrounded by material pleasure and has no time to enjoy these pleasures and the beauty of nature, he or she is living a miserable and meaningless life. So again and again, poet is focusing on the enjoying of natural beauty. So that is the poem up to here, and I want you once more you have to read the poem and enjoy it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.